Maybe a charity for 500.
Charity for 500, mashallah. You just want to jump in right there in the middle. Known as the nisab in zakah terminology, what is the minimum amount of gold or gold currency you must have for 1 year before zakah is due?
I think it's 2 mithqal.
How many?
Mithqal, 2 mithqal or
2 mithqal?
Yeah.
No, that is not the correct answer. But it's a very good guess though. We would go to Brother Ansar. What is the minimum amount of money you have? So that means under this amount of money, zakah is not due on you. Meaning you do not have to give charity at the end of the year. But if you have an amount greater than this, then you must give zakah once 1 whole year passes on your money.
I believe it's 1 mithqal.
It's 1 mithqal?
Yeah.
No, it is not 1 mithqal. But it's a good guess.
Okay.
Brother Abdul Latif.
Could you repeat the question?
Sure. It is known as the nisab in zakat terminology, in fiqh. Okay? And what it means is that this is the minimum amount of gold or gold currency you must have for 1 year before zakah is due.
I think it is 2.5 kilogram.
2.5
Kilogram.
2.5 kilogram. Okay. 2.5 kilograms? No, this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is, what is 20 mithqal, or approximately 85 grams of gold? Okay? So if you have 85 grams of gold, okay, or something equivalent to the gold value of 85 grams for 1 whole year, then you must give zakah on this amount. All right, very good.